Wow, not sure how work's going to come out, but look at the colours here. Look at it down there, it's beautiful. Let me see if I can adjust the screen. That's a bit better, look at that. See a light flashing in the sky going across, look. It's got extremely busy here now compared to here, so everyone's come out tonight, innit? We're just looking for a chippy. Hopefully you can hear me. Some little lights over there towards the beach. Andrew's waving. Mum's shouting hello. Yeah, they have now, they've gone to bed. Look at this, we'll see if we can carry on further down. Oh, that's a palaver. Trying to get into it everywhere is absolutely rammed. So first seat I come to, I just sat on it. Having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, you've just told me to take that off you.
I know. I'm not away, sister.
Mum's there.
Hi, Mummy Scooter.
Harvey's down there. I'm getting in a better pain, but hopefully we can eat these chips, walk down here and do whatever and go and watch some fireworks. Hopefully, if we catch them in time.
What's what I got?
No oasis. Roads are absolutely rammed. It's gone absolutely rammed, it's unbelievable. I've never seen so much people in the space of not long at the minute. So yeah, absolutely rammed. I'm shocked how busy it's got. Alright. So yeah, Great Yarmouth. Still as good as it ever was when I was a kid. It's just fair, guys. It's very, very busy. It's nice to see it busy, like, but it's not when people are walking in front of you. So just going to wait for Tina. Just having sausage and chips, something quick and easy. Don't want to eat too much because we're going to be walking back to the car yet. I've still got a good probably 3/4 of a mile. Watch the fireworks and that. So yeah, we'll catch you all in a bit when she's back. Ta-da. Right, just waiting for Tina to get the chips. She's waiting for them to be done. We're going to go straight to the fireworks, I think, because we ain't got long left till fireworks are here. So we're going to have a walk down and so we can eat there and wait for the fireworks.
Yeah.
So we'll catch ya in a bit. Ta-da. So I will video a little bit as we go along. We're going to go to the arcades and that after with the kids. Let them spend some pennies. Look at it here, look. It's going to keep blurring out because of all the different bits, but look at it down there. Big wheel there. It's going to keep blurring up everyone, so sorry if it does. It's because the phone is trying to focus on everything around it. And there's a lot going on right now. Gold rush. What? Yeah, so look at this. All the colours. Like, I'm hoping it's going to come out alright on camera. Got people set on the little stalls here selling stuff, look. Look at the big wheel in the distance, we'll go and see that soon. All the lights on the, all the Christmassy lights, look, on the lamp posts. I don't know how it's going to do it justice because it is dark, but I'm going to try my best and try and get as much as I can here with all the lights. I literally can't get the camera any better than what we're getting now. Towers lit up there. Are they?
Well, you and Jim share chips and I'll just share it. I'll sort out.
So pretty. He's alright there. Tina's he's down there somewhere. Yeah, I am trying to walk. What?
Stop.
No? Wow. Absolutely packed. We're trying to find somewhere to sit down so we can have our chips and that as well. My days. Don't know how we're going to manage it, but we'll give it a go somehow.
Look at me sometimes.
You can hear me all right. What do you think of that then? Oh, them fireworks are brilliant. I'm going to put some pictures in this video, that's what I think. Probably towards the end of what I took so far. What do you think of the fireworks then? The cameras need to be on you. I'll get you one in a minute. It's this one in it we've got to go in.
Is it this one?
Yeah, move over, ma'am.
I need a big.
Watch out! She needs L plates! What do you think of the fireworks?
Oh, they're brilliant. Brilliant.
What do you think of the fireworks?
Oh, well, that for me.
Yeah.
Absolutely brilliant.
What do you like? Do you like the fireworks? Yeah, good. He's got in there. What about you?
That's all the girls.
How about you like the fireworks?
Yeah.
Yeah. Absolutely brilliant. Oh yeah, we've got a shaking machine. One of Harvey's favourites. You know what he's going on, don't you? So anyway, we're coming into here, Golden Nugget I think it is. We'll get a picture out there so which one we've been in. So anyway, turn camera around to show you what they got.
Oh no, there we go. Oh god, there we go. You ready?
Quickly, go on, get him in, quick!
Did you put them all in?
Yeah.
I want 250 tickets.
I've just come out from the Golden Nuggets. This is there. That's one we just went in. Everybody's here. We're going that way, aren't we?
Yeah, Jen. That way.
That way. Just kind of walk all the colourful lights now in the distance there. Not sure if we're going to be able to pick them up. Gorgeous, isn't it? Oh. So which one are we going to now?
It's all pinned together.
I know.
Yeah, it's all three together, three different ones.
Yeah.
So what are you doing next one or the one after?
Go to the end.
Go to the end one, so the Flamingo! Let's go to the Flamingo! We'll show you when we're outside. So here we are at the Flamingo. No doubt we're going in here now. Right, we're nearly finished. We're heading to this last section now towards the car. But I'm gutted about this bit. We get here. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's all shut now. It's all closed. All the lights have gone off. Look on these two here. Absolutely gutted. I want to get a nice picture at night with that, but never mind. What?
I think it was you. You've seen it hanging up.
What?
The jacket.
What? Me, I spotted it.
Thank you.
Alright.
I know it's
See.
£5.
Oh well. So we've got the last bit to do, just down there. As we go back towards the car, still got quite a way to go because you can see that little Wellington pier there. But we're going that way. So we're just going to have 2 minutes here, let my feet and that rest. The amount of sit downs I've had today though. So I'll catch you in a bit.